Okay, everybody. Today we should be unboxing the Vapor Trail Tech computer slash speedometer, temperature gauge, and all that kind of fancy smancy stuff. So here's the box. We ordered it what, like a week ago? Alright, yeah, a week ago. And it came on today, on a Monday. It's a Pulaski Day here in America. It's like what, 1 o'clock? There's the box. And here it is. Covered up to protect the screen, I'm guessing. Trail Tech from Vapor. Nothing else in here, just UPS, I mean. Just some cardboard. And from the first start box, doesn't look that bad. I mean, it's pretty nice. Nothing that thick. And then here's all the information. So speedometer, clock, there's power into it, valve added. Open it up. I paid $120 for this, and hopefully this will be good. I bought this for my Honda CRF 150F, and then my buddy here has it for the 150R. All the plugs, reset button, and then the backup battery. Right now it's telling us we're going 24 miles per hour. Going pretty fast. And open this up. So here, as I'm guessing, is some kind of magnet for to tell the speedometer. For the speedometer. This, I don't know. Some zip ties and some screws. And here's the mounting hardware. We got one for the fat bar, we got one for a skinny bar, and then this is probably to go on the back of the whole thing. And then we got some other small wires, which I don't know, it's for battery or something. We got a user's manual. Pretty thick. And it's color. Not bad. Nice detailed picture. And then we have something like this. That's the sensor installation. So this right here is for the rev. It goes around the spark plug. I don't know. That's about it. Let's see what we got here. And this is for the speedometer, which is pretty simple. And yeah. So here it is. The little protective sticker. Got different kind of modes. RPM, max, average, time. This is all settable. So like if you have some kind of different kind of bike, they make all different kind of models for your special bike, which is pretty great.